Error-proofing production with ADI PowerPrint.
Hey, we just received our shipment and it's filled with errors again.
I'm so sorry about that.
This happens all the time, and I'm really afraid if we can't get this resolved, we're going to have to find another supplier.
Oh no, we're working on a solution to make sure this doesn't happen.
For a Tier 2 automotive supplier in Central Ohio, ADI PowerPrint was the key to eliminating costly mistakes on their production line. The supplier, who produces up to 3 unique parts in a production cycle, needed a way to control production and ensure that the right label is put on each part, the right part is put in each tote, and the right quantity of parts is in each tote. ADI PowerPrint Enterprise automates label printing and production sequencing at the production line, providing the checks and balances that mistake-proof the production process. The PowerPrint program combines various input and output sequences that provide gates for every step of the production cycle. This client uses fixtures, otherwise known as nests, that are unique to each part. Barcode scanners at each nest are used for validating that the correct label has been applied to the part in the nest. Lights on each of the 3 totes give a visual signal to the operator indicating where each part goes. Tote sensors keep an accurate count of the number of parts in the tote. The process is started when the PowerPrint program reads a pressure sensor to ensure that all systems are go. An error message is displayed if the line does not have sufficient air pressure. A job number is scanned. This sets the part number and quantity requirements for the 3 unique parts. The operator touches an opto switch, which begins the production cycle, and the first label in the sequence prints. The operator applies the label to the part. The operator places the part in the appropriate nest. PowerPrint verifies that the part is labeled correctly. And illuminates the tote light where the part is to be placed. As the operator places the part in the tote, a sensor increments the quantity of parts in the tote and sends a message back to the printer, updating both the total number of each unique part produced and the quantity in that particular tote. The process is repeated for the remaining parts in the production cycle. A part is labeled, verified at the nest, and delivered to the correct tote. Sequence number and tote count are updated automatically. However, mistakes happen. When they do, the checks and balances in the PowerPrint program prevents the operator from moving forward until the error is corrected. When the tote count reaches the preset quantity, a signal is sent to the printer. This signal triggers a tote label to be printed and a message to display on the printer, letting the operator know that a tote is full. The tote light illuminates, confirming to the operator which tote needs to be changed. The PowerPrint program displays a running count of each unique part number produced daily, but resets the tote quantity to 0 after each new tote is put in place. For this application, ADI's PowerPrint automated the production labeling process, provided validation of key production data, ensuring that each part had the correct label, and each part was in the correct tote, and each tote contained the correct quantity of parts.
We just received our shipment and everything was perfect. Thank you.
Well, all right. With the ADI PowerPrint solution, your orders will be right from now on.